2025 BMW 3 Series, the legend reborn with smart innovation. You're welcome to World Rides Review. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. BM's legendary 3 Series has always been the heart of its sedan lineup, a perfect balance of performance, luxury and technology. The iconic 3 Series gets a refreshed identity, one that pushes the boundaries of modern driving while staying true to its roots. Let's dive into everything the 2025 BMW 3 Series has to offer, from its updated design to its high-tech interior, and of course, the thrilling performance that makes it a benchmark in the sports sedan segment. Updated design elegance meets aggression at first glance. The 2025 BMW 3 Series doesn't look radically different, but the subtle design changes add up. The front fascia has been sharpened with slimmer adaptive LED headlights and a more pronounced kidney grille that looks both modern and muscular. The redesigned bumper adds aerodynamic edges that boost both style and efficiency. The side profile retains the classic 3 Series proportions: long hood, short rear deck, but new alloy wheel designs and sleeker character lines give it a more dynamic stance. At the rear, the taillights have a smoked-out look with redesigned internal graphics, and the bumper now includes sportier exhaust tips, especially on the M Sport variants. If you choose the Shadowline package, you get blacked-out trims, adding a sportier, stealthier vibe. BMW knows how to evolve a car without losing its identity, and that's exactly what we see here. Interior tech rich and premium. Inside the 2025 3 Series, you'll find a cockpit that blends tradition with cutting-edge tech. The first thing you'll notice is the massive curved display, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster combined with a 14.9-inch central touchscreen running the latest iDrive 8.5 system. This new system is faster, cleaner, and smarter. It supports voice commands, over-the-air updates, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The HVAC controls are now fully integrated into the screen, giving a cleaner dashboard, although some purists may miss the physical buttons. Material quality has taken a step up too. The use of open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and soft-touch plastics gives it a luxurious feel. The sport seats are more comfortable and supportive, especially in the M340i, and the new ambient lighting setup makes night driving more premium than ever. The ultimate performance driving machine lives on. BMW hasn't messed with the core of the 3 Series performance. The 2025 model comes with familiar yet improved engine options. The base 330i uses a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine making around 255 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it delivers a smooth and responsive drive. If you want more power, the M340i is where things get spicy. It's equipped with a 3.0-liter inline-6 with BM's mild hybrid tech, pushing out 382 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. This rocket can do 0 to 100 km/h in just under 4.5 seconds, perfect for enthusiasts who want daily practicality with occasional track thrills. Both models offer xDrive variants for better traction and control in all weather conditions. And of course, the ride quality remains one of the best in class thanks to adaptive suspension, precise steering, and a near-perfect weight distribution. Fuel economy and emissions. BMW has worked on improving efficiency too. The 330i returns a decent fuel average of around 14 to 16 km/h, depending on driving conditions. The mild hybrid tech in the M340i also helps save fuel during city commutes and stop-go traffic. There are also talks of a plug-in hybrid variant joining later in the year, possibly offering an electric-only range of around 50 to 60 km. Safety and driver assistance. BMW has packed the 2025 3 Series with safety and assistance tech. You get forward collision warning, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and optional highway assist. Parking is made easier with a 360-degree camera and automatic parking assist features. Still the king of sports sedans, the 2025 BMW 3 Series proves that evolution is often better than revolution. It keeps what made it great: excellent driving dynamics, luxury feel, and iconic design while adding the modern features buyers expect in 2025. You're someone who enjoys high-end experiences, or you're just curious about the world's most luxurious rides? More iconic rides are coming your way soon.